10 Fall Wedding Decor Ideas. Your wedding invitation sets the tone for your wedding day by offering a peek inside your celebration style, colors, and even textures. When you think of fall, burgundy and gold always come to mind. As a result, a burgundy and gold wedding invitation would be as fitting for a rustic romantic fete as it would be for a black tie soiree thanks to the rich textures and elegant calligraphy. Fall foliage is the hallmark of the season, and bouquets that include leaves in their design are an ideal way to display them. It allows the bouquet to feel seasonal and texture-filled, and it also leaves plenty of room for additional greens and berries. You could also opt to include in-season flowers, like dahlias and garden roses for a lusher design. Jenny Yu designs bridesmaids dresses the ladies in any wedding party can and will want to wear again. This off-the-shoulder design feels appropriate, since the sleeves add a little more coverage, and the burgundy hue is just right for autumn. As featured on brides, fall-themed arches are stunning. Thanks to the leaves incorporated throughout, they will make your wedding ceremony instantly feel like fall. Not to mention it's a beautiful piece that could be transitioned throughout your event. It may start in your ceremony, but then it could also act as the backdrop to your sweetheart table if your space is serving double duty. Temperatures can dip during the fall, and apple cider feels like the most festive drink. Think about serving apple cider before your ceremony if you're welcoming guests with refreshments. You can incorporate cider into a signature cocktail, or serve apple cider as part of a late-night treat. A light coat will look and feel like a great accessory at a fall wedding. Rather than simply adding a leather jacket or a jean jacket, have it customized. A custom jacket is also a great gift idea for your bridesmaids. Skip the typical wedding escort cards. Calligraphers can write on nearly any surface, leaves included, and the brown tones paired with the white ink looks fantastic in these escort cards. Make sure to tape or clip your leaves onto a surface to protect them from the wind. You'll love the red, green, and white color palette of this cake, which was photographed by Landon Jacob. The design incorporates in-season apples and pomegranates. Adding greens and additional fruit to a wedding cake allows it to double as a dramatic display in addition to simply placing your cake on a table. This fall wedding centerpiece from Wedding Chicks features in-season burgundy blooms as well as plenty of greenery. However, what sticks out the most is how it beautifully incorporates gourds and pumpkins. The candles and mustard-colored glasses help to tie the fall palette and look together. It wouldn't be a fall wedding without s'mores. Whether guests are invited to make their own by a bonfire or your bakery provides them for everyone, s'mores are a late-night snack favorite. Plus, if you don't like cake, s'mores offer a great alternative. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.